4 minutes, that's all I need to put your future in your hands. Hate the idea of stocking inventory but still want to cash in online? Dropshipping with Shopify is your golden ticket in 2025. Picture this, a booming business with zero storage headaches, no unsold stock, just you selling products worldwide without touching a single box. This is e-commerce made simple, and it's exploding right now. Dropshipping is your best friend in the e-commerce world. It's a business model where you sell products without ever handling them yourself. Instead, when a customer places an order, you purchase the item from a third-party supplier who ships it directly to the customer. This means you can offer a wide range of products without the overhead costs of traditional retail. With Shopify, you can set up a sleek online store in no time. Shopify provides all the tools you need to create a professional-looking storefront that attracts customers and makes shopping a breeze. From customizable themes to powerful apps, Shopify has everything you need to build and grow your online business. First, sign up for Shopify. The sign-up process is straightforward and user-friendly. You'll be guided through each step, from entering your business details to choosing your store's name. Next, pick a plan that suits your business needs. Shopify offers various pricing plans, so you can choose one that fits your budget and goals. Whether you're just starting out or looking to scale, there's a plan for you. Then, choose a stylish theme that screams, "I'm open for business." Shopify's theme store offers a wide range of free and premium themes designed by world-class designers. You can customize these themes to match your brand's look and feel. Now it's time to find products. This is where the magic of dropshipping truly shines. You can use apps like Oberlo or Spocket to browse millions of items you can sell without ever touching a single box. These apps integrate seamlessly with Shopify, making it easy to add products to your store with just a few clicks. Just a few clicks, and your store is loaded with awesome products that are ready to ship directly from suppliers to your customers. This means you can focus on marketing and customer service while your suppliers handle the logistics. Now let's talk about marketing. Utilize Shopify's built-in SEO tools to make sure people can find your store on Google. SEO, or search engine optimization, is crucial for driving organic traffic to your site. By optimizing your product descriptions, titles, and images, you can improve your search engine rankings and attract more visitors. Don't forget social media. Use Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok ads to reach your target audience and turn those views into sales. Social media platforms are powerful tools for promoting your products and engaging with your customers. Create eye-catching ads, share user-generated content, and interact with your followers to build a loyal community around your brand. Customer service is key. Use Shopify's customer communication tools to respond to queries quickly and keep your customers happy. Happy customers equals repeat buyers. Providing excellent customer service can set you apart from your competitors and encourage customers to return to your store. And finally, keep tracking your sales and inventory with Shopify's analytics dashboard. It's like having a personal business coach right at your fingertips. The analytics dashboard provides valuable insights into your store's performance, helping you make data-driven decisions to grow your business. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into dropshipping with Shopify in 2025 and watch your online business soar. The future of e-commerce is bright, and with the right tools and strategies, you can achieve incredible success. If you are still not convinced, I have more videos on money earning. Go check out. Hit that like button if you found this helpful and subscribe for more e-commerce tips.